Hello guys, I'm gonna show you attachment DLQ33 Passcode 1. If you play Code M, naglalaro ka Code M, panoodin nyo na to. Higang, sorry guys, sorry guys, naubo ako. Bibigyan ko kayo guys ng attachment sa DLQ33 Passcode 1 hit. Pag hindi ka naglalaro ng Code M, wag mo na panoodin tong video na to. Bibigyan ko kayo Code M Passcode DLQ33. The best. DLQ33. Ayan guys. Right hand for pass reload. Combat. And that guys use the spear, so we go win. If you guys wanna add me, just type this Andre a gamer. My next Glassy 50 YT cause my real name is Andre. So guys, I give you an attachment. Goodbye.